Perfect. Now we have, following on from the 42 exhibitors we have, in order to give you a quick feel and flavour of what we have, we'd like to invite them now, our first batch, to come up and give a quick 1 minute introduction to what their company does, and encourage you then to come and visit them at their stands. Each has 1 minute, please, and you might stick to your time. Thank you, guys.
Good morning. My name is Peter. I'm from the Reliance Bearing and Gear Company. We're a company that typically would help the likes of Rotterfarm achieve the excellent results they've achieved. Our core product range traditionally would be bearings, belts, pulleys, chains, sprockets, and related. Over the last 10 years or so, we've very much specialised in the whole area of electric motors and gearboxes, and particularly so helping customers achieve excellent energy savings in their applications, their engineering applications. In addition to that, we very much specialise in automation, particularly so when customers are looking to change out pneumatics to electric automation, or are looking to achieve excellent energy efficiencies with their existing automation setups. We're located in stand number 2, down on the right here. We'd welcome for anyone please to come and talk to us. We do specialise in multi-site contracts and contract pricing. Some of our existing customers are the likes of ESB, Roadstone. Thank you very much.
How's it going? My name is Patrick Liddy from a company called Enernoc. We pay manufacturing plants like yourselves to provide flexibility to the electricity grid. We work with EirGrid, who need more flexibility on the grid, to pay customers like yourselves to provide flexibility when there's an emergency on the system. So our customers switch on their backup generators or switch off non-essential electrical loads like pumping or refrigeration for 1 or 2 hours when there's an emergency on the electricity system. And for that, we pay out millions each year to customers like yourselves to provide this flexibility. For the engineers out there and the project managers, we provide a quick and easy win project for you that is implemented at the stroke of a pen and provide savings to your company. I'm speaking in about 5 or 10 minutes down here, and we're at stand 24 if you'd like to come and chat a little bit more. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Damien Monroe from ISIS Automation. Ring any bells? Well, I get it all the time. I had it first is what I say, but as I said, it's the nature of it. ISIS Automation stands for Industrial System Integration and Solutions for Automation. I suppose I liked it, it was catchy. I'm the owner. We specialise in energy automation, I suppose, optimising your process. You've put in your process, you've commissioned it, it's running, and all of a sudden you see you want to change. It's like the house you built and you say, I want to change that. We can come in after the fact, tweak your process, talk to your process people, get your process optimised, I suppose, from an energy point of view particularly. I have a technical talk later on PIDs, the system thinker's approach to PID control, talking generally about how the PIDs work and how you can use them to optimise your process. Down in stand 27, come down and talk to us. We have 2 products, PID monitoring and PID tuning. 2 products that sit in the background, monitor your plant and let you know when your PIDs are not doing what you asked them to do from design. Thank you.
Good morning, it's Seamus Shanahan from Solid Solutions Ireland. We're a supplier of SolidWorks design solutions. As Richard mentioned earlier, we supply Rotterfarm, a lot of the medical, manufacturing, educational markets with offices in Dublin, Limerick and Belfast. We offer training, support, consultancy. We have a broad range of customers, obviously a lot of them attending here today. We're at stand number 13. We'd be delighted for people that attend. One of the things, key areas we would want to discuss with people as well, we've provided our design solution in the educational market as well, which for people here trying to find engineers, trying to find qualified design engineers, because it can be quite of interest. So again, any questions, we'd be delighted to meet you during the day. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Dan Buckley. I represent a company called Innovative Total Solutions. We're an automation company. We're 20 years in business, supplying multinationals with automation solutions and pick-and-place applications. We've recently taken on the agency for a Danish robot called Universal Robot. It's a very simple to operate robot. It's flexible. It's affordable. Recent applications include pick and place, gluing, loading, unloading, aligning, cutting, tracing and inspection systems. It's very easy to program, simple, clear, pendant for programming, and it's also a collaborative robot, which is a new style robot which is used mainly where there's in conjunction with people, and it's used without a safety frame. Universal has a unique patented safety system which includes monitoring, safety functions and TCP positioning, orientation, speed and force, as well as momentum and the power of the robot. We're in stand 15. We have 2 models on display. If you'd like to come and see us, we'd be delighted to talk to you. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is David Moran and I work for ACT. At ACT, we specialise in the design and manufacture of integrated access control, video surveillance, time and attendance, and visitor management solutions. The name of my talk today at 12:05 down in the Expert Centre is 7 Innovative Ways to Trim the Fat in 2015. I'm a qualified chartered accountant with an in-depth knowledge of new technologies in the marketplace. And the aim of my talk is to give you ideas on how you can improve business security, improve efficiencies, and most importantly, how you can simply save costs by between €250,000 and €500,000 this year for an average sized business. The name of my talk is 7 Innovative Ways to Trim the Fat in 2015 at 12:05 down in the Expert Centre. I hope to see you all there. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Derek O'Brien and I represent Eastway Global Forwarding. We're an international freight forwarding company which was based in Limerick from 2001, and late 2014 we opened the Dublin office. We're an international freight forwarding company offering complete solutions for logistical and warehousing solutions. We're operating in stand 23 and be delighted to see you all there. Thank you very much.
Good morning all. My name is Siobhan. I'm quite new to this, so bear with me. Although I'm very inexperienced in public speaking, I like to think I know a little bit about manufacturing, and hence the reason we're here. Like I said, name is Siobhan. I work for Link Limited. So rather than tell you what the business do, it's really what can we do for you. If you're sat here today wondering about inventory analysis, have you under forecasted, over? Do you know what your work centres are doing? Have you reached your capacity for your resources? Have you got a visual representation of your scheduling? Are you able to drag and drop and move things around and reschedule at a moment's notice? Can you track and monitor your resources and realign people at a moment's notice? Are you balancing your stock versus your customer satisfaction? If the answer to all that is yes, good for you. If the answer to that is no, I'm in booth 5 and I've got some chocolates. So hope to see you all then. Thanks.
Good morning, everybody. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to follow that, and I certainly don't have any chocolates. My name is Brian Cooney. I'm the General Manager with KUKA Robotics Ireland. We are part of the KUKA AG Germany group, Europe's largest manufacturer of industrial robots and automation systems, and number 1 in the automotive and aerospace worldwide. We're providing automation solutions and industrial robotics since the early 1960s in areas as diverse as assembly, pick and place, packaging, palletizing, machine tending, robotic machining, welding, joining, metal fabrication, right down to grinding and polishing in the medical device and implant sectors. So in every industry, from the food to medical device, plastics to electronics, automotive to aerospace, metal fab to pharmaceutical, and everything in between. And if you noticed recently on the television, we'll even serve you your cocktails on the Royal Caribbean cruisers. So as pioneers in the development of collaborative robots, KUKA are creating a new robotic world, not about replacing people, but about harnessing the strengths of both humans and robots together to achieve the levels of efficiency and productivity that previously are not achievable independently. We're going to be at stand 10. So if there's anything we can do from your automation perspective, please feel free to call.
Good morning. My name is Frank McKenna, and I represent a company called Globeway. As the name may suggest, we're involved in industrial weighing primarily. We were established in 1995, currently have 25 staff, and we're based in Cork and Armagh. We're ISO accredited, and our main area of expertise is integration solutions for weighing, industrial weighing, processing from intake to dispatch. We supply the hardware and the software. We have 25 service engineers, as I said. We're NSAI accredited, and some of our big customers currently would be Pfizer, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Glanbia. So we're in stand 1, and I'd like to see you later on. Thank you very much.
The last of a good bunch. My name is Paul Farrell. I'm with IPIX. We're just to the right of the stall here. So supply chain management, that old chestnut. I mean, a lot of things are in supply chain, like ERP systems, MRP, operating models, clear processes. They're all important things, but I think you'd agree that probably the biggest factor that impacts on supply chain are your people and how good they are. So what we at IPIX are about educating people, about giving them an opportunity to develop themselves, about having some clear standards in terms of expertise, and to give those people in supply chain a way to network amongst themselves. So in that vein, please feel free to drop by and have a chat with us. Thank you.